Spanish, like Anki decks, they treat every word the same with equal value. But as we just saw, not all words are created equal. Okay? In fact, even in the words that are most common in conversations, there are certain words that are more common than others. Okay? And so even within the most commonly used words, there are even more commonly used words. Okay? For example, you think about the most commonly used verbs like ser, estar, ir, poner, traer, words like these, tener. Even in those, there are conjugations in those verbs that are used more often than others. Okay? Most people try to learn vocabulary with flashcards, right? That's the main method that everyone uses, or, apps that have flashcards. The problem with that is that it doesn't match how frequently a word is used in real life Spanish. It doesn't match our conversations, even if it's the correct words technically. Okay, if you clicked on this video to get a flashcard deck of 1,000 words that you want to memorize, I'm sorry, you came to the wrong place. And before you leave though, I want to tell you that that is not the best way to learn those words, okay? Because like we saw, it's not congruent, meaning it doesn't match the frequency of how those words are used. Okay? I'm telling you, the word es, which is a conjugation from ser, is used way more often than erais, than eran, right? Now, eran is still used a lot. Es or fue or fui are words that are used way more often. And the flashcards ignore that. And if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.